Where is the nearest supermarket?
The nearest supermarket is 2 blocks down the street next to the pharmacy.
How much does this cost?
It costs $3.50.
Do you have fresh vegetables?
Yes, they're in the produce section right over there.
Can I pay by credit card?
Of course, we accept all major credit cards.
Where is the dairy section?
It's at the back of the store near the eggs.
Can I get a bag, please?
Sure, would you like a paper or plastic bag?
Do you sell organic products?
Yes, we have a special organic section on aisle 5.
Is there a discount for bulk purchases?
Yes, if you buy 3 or more, you get 10% off.
Where can I find the bread?
The bread is in aisle 2, next to the pastries.
What time do you close?
We close at 10 p.m. every night.
Do you have gluten-free options?
Yes, we have a gluten-free section near the health foods.
Can I get this item in a smaller size?
Let me check. Yes, we have a smaller package on the lower shelf.
Where is the checkout counter?
It's right at the front next to the entrance.
Do you deliver?
Yes, we offer home delivery for orders over $50.
Where are the canned goods?
They are in aisle 4, across from the pasta.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Where is the meat section?
The meat section is on the right side next to the seafood.
Do you have any special offers today?
Yes, there's a buy one get one free offer on selected items.
Can I return this if it's not good?
Yes, just bring your receipt within 7 days.
Where can I find the cleaning products?
Cleaning products are in aisle 8 near the paper towels.
Do you have reusable bags?
Yes, they're available at the checkout for $1 each.
Can I sample this before buying?
Yes, we have tasting stations over there.
Where can I weigh my produce?
The scale is in the produce section near the apples.
Do you have a loyalty program?
Yes, you can sign up at the counter or online.
Are these prices per pound or per item?
They are priced per pound.
Can you help me find this item?
Of course. What are you looking for?
Are there any coupons available?
Yes, you can find them at the front or on our app.
Is this item locally made?
Yes, it's from a farm just 10 miles away.
Do you have plant-based products?
Yes, they're in the vegan section, aisle 6.
Are there self-checkout machines?
Yes, they're near the entrance.
Where is the frozen food section?
It's along the back wall, past the drinks.
Can I place an order for pickup?
Yes, just order online and choose your pickup time.
Do you offer senior discounts?
Yes, 10% off on Tuesdays for seniors.
Where are the international foods?
They're in aisle 7, grouped by region.
Can I buy this by the case?
Yes, and you'll save 15% when you do.
Where are the condiments?
They're in aisle 3 next to the sauces.
Do you sell baby food?
Yes, it's in the baby products aisle, number 9.
Can I speak to the store manager?
Sure, I'll call them for you.
Is this product available online too?
Yes, you can find it on our website.
Where is customer service?
It's at the front near the exit.
Can I use a shopping cart?
Yes, they're available at the entrance.
Do you sell hot, ready-to-eat food?
Yes, we have a deli and hot food bar near the back.
Where can I find bottled water?
It's in aisle 10 next to the soft drinks.
Is there a restroom in the store?
Yes, it's in the back corner near the dairy section.
Do you sell gift cards?
Yes, they're at the checkout counters.
Where are the paper products?
They're in aisle 11 with tissues and toilet paper.
Can I buy ice here?
Yes, the ice freezer is near the entrance.
Do you offer rain checks on sold-out items?
Yes, just ask at customer service.
Can you help me carry this to my car?
Sure, someone will assist you shortly.
Where is the pharmacy section?
It's on the left side of the store near the front. Let's take a look at some useful vocabulary from today's lesson. Supermarket, a large store selling food and household goods.
I go to the supermarket every Saturday.
Price tag, a label showing the cost of an item.
The price tag says it's $2.99.
Fresh produce, recently harvested fruits and vegetables.
I always check for fresh produce in the morning.
Credit card, a plastic card used to make payments.
Can I pay by credit card?
Checkout counter, the place where you pay for your groceries.
The line at the checkout counter was very long.
Organic, grown without chemicals or pesticides.
These organic apples taste much better.
Bulk purchases, buying large quantities at once.
There's a discount for bulk purchases.
Aisle, a passage between rows of shelves in a store.
You'll find the rice in aisle 6.
Discount, a reduced price.
They gave me a 10% discount.
Sale, a special offer with lower prices.
Is this on sale today?
Receipt, a paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Keep your receipt for returns.
delivery, bringing groceries to your home,
Do you offer delivery service?
reusable bag, a shopping bag made to be used many times,
I always carry a reusable bag with me.
loyalty program, a system offering rewards for frequent customers,
You earn points through our loyalty program.
gluten-free, gluten-free without gluten for people with allergies or sensitivities,
Do you have any gluten-free bread?
customer service and help provided to shoppers for questions or problems,
You can ask customer service for assistance.
self-checkout, a machine where customers scan and pay for their items themselves,
I prefer using self-checkout because it's faster.
sample, a small portion of food for tasting,
Would you like a sample of our cheese?
locally made, locally made, produced in the nearby area,
These tomatoes are locally made.
plant-based, plant-based, made entirely from plants, no animal products,
Do you have any plant-based milk?
paper products, items made from paper like napkins or tissues,
Paper products are in aisle 11.
rain check, a promise to honor a sale price later if the item is out of stock,
We can give you a rain check if it's sold out.
hot food bar, a section offering ready-to-eat warm meals,
I grabbed lunch from the hot food bar.
gift card, a prepaid card you can give someone to use at the store,
I bought a gift card for my friend.
tasting station, an area where you can try food samples,
There's a tasting station near the bakery.
produce section, produce section, area of the store with fruits and vegetables,
I'm heading to the produce section first.
frozen food, food kept in the freezer to stay preserved,
I need to buy some frozen vegetables.
pickup order, an online order you collect at the store,
I placed a pickup order this morning.
case of items, a box containing multiple identical products,
Can I get a case of bottled water?
condiments, sauces and seasonings like ketchup or mustard,
Where do you keep the condiments? If you liked that video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with friends, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson.